Yo guys, and we're gonna play Would You Rather. Okay, so we're gonna play Would You Rather. So it's like a game, like you choose would you rather like this is version like would you rather be a YouTuber or a singer? You choose whatever you want. So whatever. Okay. So ew, I don't want this question. Ew, disgusting. Ew, wait. Let me change this. Ew. Okay. Check your email first every morning or check your social networks first every morning. I would choose my social networks because email is just like I don't know, only sending like things and it's quite boring. So next question. Be a carrot, be a cucumber. Oh, so hard. I love carrots. I hate cucumbers. Okay, being carrot is good or not. I'm not sure. Being a carrot is good because like okay, I'll check carrot. Okay. 53% of the world agrees with that. Next question. Oh, so space. Oh, no, I don't want that. No. Pee your pants once a day at a random time. Poop your pants. I choose for poop because pee like pee is a water that comes out of your I don't know what to say, but pee is like going to wet everybody like clothes or whatever. And poop is just only smelly, but pee is smelly and you like smelly and it's watery, so like they'll sorry. Dennis, be quiet. I'm watching Dennis on the TV. Wait, just go. One second, please. I choose for poop. Oh wait, what? Why 1 million people agrees with that? Whatever. Next question. Be a tomboy, be a girly girl. If you be a tomboy, a lot of people ask you why you're tomboy. But be a girly girl. Wait, what? Yes. Wait, what? Why lots of people agree with that be a tomboy? This is so weird. Be wanted for murder and be on the run. Be a homeless man who only has bucks. Okay, a lot of people agree with that. Opposite. Okay. Go to prison for 5 years? I don't want prison. Watch every episode of Full House. What is Full House? Let me check. Okay, so this is Full House. What? Okay, see you in the quiz. For me, watch every episode. Oh, see? I don't want to go to jail. I just have the first name refrigerator. Have the first name dishwasher. I would have this because it's not really ugly like a dishwasher. Oh, okay. 74% that agrees with me. Would you rather always run, crawl? I hate crawling. What? Always run. So when you like do anything, you're gonna run and blah blah blah. I will throw. Okay. No crawling, please. Be a lunch. No, whatever. Okay. Be eaten by ants. Be eaten by like. I don't know because I never got been eaten by a animal like ants or like. Ants. Like be eaten by ants? Okay. But why do they vote for lions? That's so insane, you. Ah. Would you rather not wear shoes for the rest of your life? Not drive a car for the rest of your life? Oh no, this is hard. That's like not wear shoes. No. I vote for not drive a car. Because if you don't have a car, it doesn't mean that you're poor, you don't have money to afford a car. It doesn't mean that. But if you don't wear your shoes for the rest of your life, it's weird. No one does that. Wait, what? Why? Why they voted more? Not wear. So stupid. How can they do this for the rest of your life? Be in the Winter Olympics or be in the Summer Olympics? I choose for winter. I choose this. Okay, whatever. I don't know. Always look 8 months pregnant. Always have a black eye. I vote for this. Always have black eye. I don't want that. It looks cute. Make out with girl. Hook up with. I'll choose this. Your partner have a. Ew! I want to answer this. Ew, so stupid. No, I want to answer that. Always tell the truth. Yeah! Oh, good! Always tell the truth. It's weird. Always lie. It's not good. If you have something, trust me. Always tell the truth. See? 1 million people vote for that. Vote for that. I'll have 150 followers. Have 100 followers. I vote for that. Whatever. Be a vegetarian and love a meat eater. Be a meat eater. Oh, so hard. Yes. Yes! I don't want to be a vegetarian. It's like worse. Your piss smells like McDonald's French fries. Your poop smells like Burger King. Oh, yay! Because you know, like French fries, yeah, and Burger King Whopper. It's really not Burger King Whopper. I know. Okay, so next. Oh, watch a 24-hour marathon of 670. Whatever, I don't care. Have a drunk personal driver. Have a. See how you die. See who you will marry. Yes. Yeah, I don't want to see how I die, like myself die. So, ride in a hot air balloon. Ride in yeah. Be emo, be gothic. Oh. Wear summer clothes in winter. Wear winter clothes in the summer. I vote for that. Yeah, because like if you wear like winter clothes in summer, you'll get hot because like have like jumper on. You're like thinking your hat. your scarf, your thingy. But if you wear like summer clothes in winter, it's not that bad. Next, non-stop peeing for the rest of your life. Non-stop crying for the rest of your life. Okay. It's the end. But if you see the, if you guys see the, what do you call this, the how do you make oobleck with the vid that I just posted like 10 hours ago, I think, like yesterday. I mean, not 10 hours ago. If you like it, please like that one because it's like my first time making oobleck. Yeah, and it works. So see you guys in today's video where I'm mixing all the yogurts, like 7 yogurts hot into a bowl and taste. See you. Pew.